Hockey India has unveiled the India A men's hockey team for their European tour from July 8 to 20th. The squad features a mix of seasoned and emerging players, set to play 8 matches against top European sides, aiming to enhance their international experience. This week, Wimbledon kicks off in London, featuring top stars like Carlos Alcaraz, the defending champion, and Aryna Sabalenka, the top seed. Matches began Monday, with excitement building as players vie for the prestigious title on grass. In a remarkable display of skill, Team England swept the inaugural World Cryptic Crossword Championship in London. Mark Goodliffe claimed the title of World Cup champion, with Colin Thomas and John Henderson following as first and second runners-up, showcasing England's crossword prowess. The World Cryptic Crossword Championship 2025 kicked off with Matthew Marcus from the USA winning the individual championship. This online event featured intense competition and a $1.750 prize pool, showcasing talents like Eric Agard and Colin Thomas. A thrilling start to the championship series. In a historic moment, South Africa's Keshav Maharaj became the first South African spinner to take 200 test wickets during the test against Zimbabwe. He achieved this milestone with key wickets, leading his team to a strong position in the match. Former cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar emphasizes the need for KL Rahul to be more consistent as India's senior-most batsman. With pressure mounting, he must guide younger players while Rishabh Pant shines with his impressive twin centuries in the Leeds Test. India's Neeraj Chopra has regained his World No. 1 javelin ranking, surpassing Grenada's Anderson Peters. With 1445 points, Chopra's consistent performances, including a national record throw of 90.23 m, have solidified his top position ahead of upcoming competitions. At 32, KL Rahul has transformed into a senior pillar of Indian cricket. With veterans stepping away, he showcased his leadership during the ICC Champions Trophy, adapting his game effectively. Rahul's aggressive mindset now positions him as a crucial figure in the team's future. R. Pragnanandha has claimed the title of India's top classical chess player after winning the Uzbekistan Cup Masters. The 19-year-old now ranks 4th globally, ahead of other Indian grandmasters, following a decisive victory over Uzbekistan's Nodirbek Abdusadrov. As India prepares for the second test against England, star bowler Jasprit Bumrah is likely to be rested, raising concerns among fans. His absence could leave India's struggling bowling attack vulnerable, while the team prioritized Bumrah's long-term fitness ahead of a packed schedule. In a historic test series, the West Indies aim to end a 34-year home win drought against Australia. Roston Chase returns as captain, leading a rejuvenated team. Meanwhile, Australia enters with a fresh lineup, eager to re-establish their dominance in Test cricket. After India's defeat to England, former coach Ravi Shastri emphasized the need for Gautam Gambhir to take a firm stance in addressing team mistakes. Shastri criticized dropped catches and batting collapses, calling for improved discipline and execution from the players.